Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. Just doing a quick update, man. Been watching this trade, man. It is going very well. If you can see, it has definitely moved to the upside on AU. Let's take a look at USD CAD. Yes, I cleared my chart as well. I think it's definitely falling, definitely broke those lows. Uh, about halfway there, about 50% there as far as retracement goes on the downside. That's going on the Fibonacci. Um, This is wonderful, y'all. This is wonderful. This is a nice update. You can just let you know I am not with the fluke stuff. I really know what's going on in this trading market. You really want to really understand what I know. But just here to show y'all, man. It's a great trade. Just a little update on AU and USD CAD. I'm not gonna let my ego get the best of me here. It's a great trade. I'm about to close these trades out. I'm not even gonna sit here and wait for it too much longer. I know it's going to go to the upside a lot by the end of next week or the following week after that. It's going to be like way off the charts, away from this price. But I'm not greedy. I take my profits. I can re-enter the market again and make more profits. So it's not a big deal. But this is an update on AU and USD CAD. Alex Jenkins checking out, y'all.